Going to talk about the skin. The general area of the skin is about 20 feet, and its main function is to protect us from the bacteria, regulate the body temperature, and allow the sensations of heat and cold. The average weight of the skin is about 5 kilograms or 10 pounds.
We choose to see the skin better were the sagittal and the coronal planes.
The people's bones, tendons, and organs will be hanging around. The skin's related organs are all of the organs because the main function of the skin is to protect everything inside our body.
Talk about the fetus. At the end of the 4 months, the skin is bright pink, transparent, and with little amount of hair. At the end of the 6 months, skin is covered with protective coating called vernix. At the end of the 7 months, the skin is red, and at the end of the 9 months, the skin is pink and smooth.
Now, let's talk about the tissues of the skin. The connective tissue, its primary function is to support and connect some parts in our body. The epithelial tissue can filter, absorb, and diffuse various substances.
The ability to generate and conduct electrical signals in the body. The dermis that is beneath the epidermis consists of connective tissue. The nervous tissue threads through the dermis. The epithelial tissue embedded in the dermis is the one to change form, hair follicles. In most of body parts of the skin consists of layer of loose connective tissue and adipose tissue that is called the hypodermis.
Hair and nails extend from the skin to reinforce the skin and protect it from environmental damage. The exocrine glands of the integumentary system produce sweat, oil, and wax to cool, protect, and moisture the skin surface. Now we're going to explain the layers of the skin. The first layer is the epidermis. The epidermis is the most superficial layers of the skin that covers almost the entire body surface.
Epidermis protects the deeper and thicker dermis layers of the skin. The epidermis is only about a 10 mm thick and is made of 40 to 50 rows of stacked squamous epithelial cells. The epidermis does not contain any blood vessels or blood cells. The cells of the epidermis receive all the nutrients by diffusion of fluids from the dermis.
Skin. Protect us against the ultraviolet radiation, help to regulate the temperature inside our body, plays an important role in the immune system that protects us from diseases. Acts as a sensory organ. The skin's related organs are all of the organs because the skin protects all of them.
In men, people care about the heart, stomach, lungs, or other vital organs, but skin was not considered an organ at the time. Now we know that some functions are protection, radiation, thermal regulation, and infection, etc. But in that time, skin functions were known to them.
At the time, the French Revolution, people and society didn't see the skin as an organ, neither as a barrier that protects you and your organs, just as today. Now we know that when we cut up blood, they also see the thing because they use the letter books, taking the skin from the dead bodies of the guillotine.
It has the function to produce collagen. Collagen protects the cells from damage. It is important to eat constantly fruits and vegetables because they have vitamin C. Some good examples are broccoli, cantaloupe, mangoes, orange, pineapple, snow peas, strawberries, tomatoes, and watermelon. Now, vitamin E helps protect the cell membrane and protects the skin against the ultraviolet rays. You need to get vitamin E mainly from grains like cereals, whole grain, nuts, seeds, in spinach, using olive oil in your food, and try to do not eat vitamin E in pills.
To talk about the new discoveries about the skin, using 2 articles we found. First about the Singapore University and then about hospitals from USA, UK, and France that are associated.